Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is going to be all about my deep conditioning hair mask slash treatment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that you need. To oil your scalp, you're gonna need the Morel hair oil. This is the Rosemary mint and scalp strengthening oil, hair growth oil, and it also moisturizes the skin on the scalp. And it comes with a dropper tea tree like this, so it's really easy to apply. So this is the oil that you will need for your roots. As far as the base of the hair mask, you're gonna need coconut milk. So coconut milk you can find in the grocery store. It's a natural product you can cook with or bake with. This hair treatment is not based on oil. We're only oiling our scalp. So the coconut milk is going to be applied from the middle of the hair, upper middle of the hair, all the way down as your base for the other treatment. Then, as far as the sealant for the hair treatment, you're going to need this Japanese hair treatment. This is the Tabuski hair treatment. I will link it down below where you can purchase it. It says treatment right on the bottle, so it is a really great pre-wash treatment. But if you want to use this as your conditioner, it's a great conditioner as well. It's also very key and very important for the hair mask. And then before we get started, I did want to mention which shampoo that I really recommend to use. This is the Honey Melty Moist Repair Shampoo. You guys probably seen these bottles before. I really like this one. It cleans the hair so well, and if you are doing a really thick hair treatment, this will wash your hair and lather with just one wash. You don't have to wash it twice. So I let the warm hot water run through it first so it can melt down all of the products, and then I'll go in and shampoo my hair with this and use a little bit of normal conditioner. So I just wanted to throw this into the video because this is the shampoo that I'm currently using. I love it. It keeps your hair nice and fresh, and it really does do the job at removing any oil or hair treatment. I wash my hair once a week. And I know that sounds dramatic, but in the winter time when it's cold and I'm not outside sweating or anything, I literally just wash my hair once a week. And I wear my hair like this for my job anyways all week long, so it's all tied up underneath a hat. Doesn't mean I don't brush my hair or refresh my hair throughout the week. I still do in between wash hair care routine, and I use hair tonics. So these are the two hair tonics that I love. They're both Korean hair tonics, and this is the Rosemary one, Root Enhancer. This is a little minty too, so it does kind of give you that tingly feeling in your scalp, so it's great in between washes. Plus it stimulates your scalp and hair to grow. And then this one is the Nard Hair Loss Control Tonic. This one's more like a tea effect. It doesn't really have any minty scalp feeling to it, but it really works to refresh your hair as well. You want to make sure that your hair is nicely detangled, especially at the ends, because that's where the hair mask is going to be really concentrated. Brush through my hair. So the first thing that we're going to do is the root care. Now we're going to take our rosemary hair oil. So this part is easy because the applicator is super simple. So where your hair line is, I always do that first, and then I concentrate it on the crown right here where your hair actually grows out of, and just massage it in a little bit. Do this on a night when you have time, like you're not rushing through it. Do it on like a self-care night or a hair treatment night, because you really want to take the time to rub in this oil in your scalp. And this is the only oil, honestly, that doesn't give scalp acne. Hair oils work really well, but they also can cause like cystic breakouts in the scalp if you oil your hair a lot, especially the scalp. But this one doesn't, so that's why I really like using it. To get a section comb like this and section off pieces of your hair so you can get more into your roots in your scalp. I'm gonna take more oil. Before I started using oil in my hair, I had a really bad dandruff and dry scalp, but this just is a miracle. Like, no dandruff shampoo can compare to oiling your scalp, and that's facts. All right, so I'm on this side now. Again, this is where too it can get really dry and irritated because it's so close to your ear, so it's important to deep oil that part as well. The skin, remember, it's your scalp is still skin, so it just gets dry and flaky. Middle and the ends of the hair, and this is really good because it's super absorbent. Okay, so this part can get a little messy, so I always put a towel on. But I start with the ends of my hair. So you obviously see the dryness in it. You just dunk it in. Like, dunk your hair in. I kind of strain out, so it's good to do it in a bowl. Put some at the ends of my hair, and I just start working it upwards. Next side, so you want a even layer of it on your hair. I'm gonna go back and touch up like some of the little drier parts, but just make sure it's all throughout your hair. Completely do all coconut milk and just apply a lot extra than what I did, but I just did the first layer into the hair just because we're going to be using a Japanese treatment. This one's also really good and it smells great as well. So now that I have the oil in my roots and the coconut milk in my hair, you're gonna see that it dries up like it's already dried, but you just wanted that coconut milk to touch the first layer, and then we're gonna seal the hydration from the coconut milk with the Japanese hair treatment. So I'm gonna just start with my ends. If your hair is dry too, you're gonna see that this soaks right in, like it soaks completely, almost gone. All right, so you see already too, this hair nice and dense and moisturized. Compared to this one, it's still a little frizzy. So we're gonna put the treatment on the other side now. Okay, so now that you have the 3 layers on, the oil, the coconut milk, and the Japanese hair treatment, your hair's gonna feel super stiff. The amount of time that you guys can leave this in is completely up to you. If you wanna do this an hour before you shower, that's fine. But personally for me, if I have the night off and I'm not going anywhere, I literally leave this in my hair for like 3 hours. The only thing that I will say though, guys, if you do this treatment, make sure when you do get in the shower with warm to hot water, melt down all of these layers on your hair before you go in with the shampoo. This will help with hair shedding as well. It will help all that dead hair come off in a more easier, lighter way compared to like ripping it through with a brush. It will help your hair kind of like revive itself and shed the dead hair very gently. Guys, so it's the next day. I washed my hair last night, all of the hair mask out, and I let my hair completely air dry. Waves to your hair, you see how it's all wavy now, just because it gives it so much more moisture. Scalp feels so comfortable and fresh as well. Like I run my fingers through it and it's so clean and soft, and the skin feels good on the scalp. Now it's the real test. If the hair treatment works, especially the Japanese treatment conditioner, your hair is going to be super straight and shiny when you flat iron it. So I'm going to start at the root, and I could already tell the hair, see how sleek it's looking. And I just go back over it, especially for the ends. It's almost as if you were to Japanese straighten it. These hair treatments makes it super shiny and easy to straighten. This is the final result. So I wanted to show you guys the ends. I didn't put any oil, but compared to yesterday, you see how they smoothed down. Of course, they look a little dead because I put dye in them a long time ago. But other than that, it's really smooth. And then as far as the straightening goes, it's super sleek. But not only is it sleek, it feels really lightweight, but thick at the same time. That makes sense. It feels healthy. So my scalp feels healthy. The shine to it is just crazy. Of course, you can just wear your hair natural, and it's going to be looking very soft to the touch. But I really do like when I do this full treatment to straighten out my hair so I can wear it in this style. That was the end of my deep repair hair treatment. I hope you guys found it helpful. Please let me know you guys' opinions in the comments down below and what you guys do to deep treat your hair. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!